This is one of those dishes that will make your house smelling fantastic and your man feel happy to come home. This is my steamed fish. Let me show you how it's made. Now we've got 3 snappers, and this is all my veggies. 2 different colors of bell peppers, Scellion, thyme, onions, Scotch bonnet, fresh garlic, and ginger. And I also have some frozen okra, which I'm going to use. This was all that was available, so I had no choice. Anyway, we saute all our veggies. Make sure to saute them for a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes or so, just to soften up. Add a bit of water and also some pimento seeds. You will have to let this cook for a little minute, maybe another 5 minutes. We also add Old Bay. Old Bay, it's a mixture of different seasoning, which is really nice. Garlic powder and onion powder. So we need all of this to make the pot very flavorsome. A little bit of salt and some cayenne pepper. Now, cayenne pepper, I like a little bit of kick. My Scotch bonnet was more for flavor. It also had a little kick as well, but not too much, because them one over here, they don't have much kick. So we add our fishes to the pot. I also add some butter off camera. So we kind of put all the veggies, all the soup or the gravy, you can call it, all over the fish and cover to let it steam in that juice. Ooh, I'm telling you, this was so nice. The flavors, the smell. Oh, I absolutely love my steamed fish. Steamed fish is one of my favorite. Then we add the okra at the end. Now, this is my dinner. 2 green bananas, dumpling, and some potatoes with the steamed fish. Now this is like in Jamaica, ordering a nice steamed fish with some okra, and you can add some bananas or you can add some crackers on the side. This is one of my favorite and a lot of people favorite. Well, if you really like Jamaican food, give this a try. I will leave all the directions in my description and you can check it out. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments how it goes. Like and follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.